Plugins are one of the most powerful areas of Pro Tools, and there's a vast selection of processing options from Digidesign and their numerous development partners. ProControl makes it even easier to assign, edit, and automate plugins. The DSP Edit Assign section is the focal point and features 8 rows of plugin controls. To add a 4-band EQ to the vocal track, press the Insert Send switch on the channel and press an Assign Enable switch in the DSP Edit Assign section. Select the plugin and press the flashing Assign Enable switch to confirm. You can tweak the EQ settings by pressing the Select Auto switch to reveal the first page of parameters. Select additional groups of parameters from the channel matrix. To bypass the plugin, hit the Bypass In-Out switch. The currently displayed plugin may also be bypassed with the Master Bypass switch at the bottom of the DSP Edit Assign section. The EQ and dynamic switches on each channel provide an all-new advancement in Pro Tools' mixing capability. With the Master In Edit switch lit, it's easy to see which channels have EQ and dynamics inserted. To edit a channel's EQ, hit that button. If there's more than one EQ in the channel, pressing the button again will scroll through inserted EQs. With the Master In Edit switch deselected, these buttons are now used to globally bypass EQs or dynamics on each channel. Here's another cool feature. Double-press a Channel Insert Send switch to reveal that channel's topmost or most recently edited plugin. Double-clicking again will cycle through the plugins inserted on that channel. Flying through plugin parameters has never been easier. Check out the ProControl User's Guide for even more details on these powerful features.